Hi viewers, so this is Mani from MASSIC Creation Channel and you are watching Vagrant and VirtualBox series. So in this video I am going to discuss about the networking in Vagrant. So when it comes to networking we have three different concepts. First one is the port forwarding, and second one is the private networking, and last one is the public networking. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. So before getting started I will walk you through the code first. So here I am using CentOS 8 VM, and this is the code which I used to build the CentOS 8 VM. I just used only the default code. Along with that, and right now I just added only this 4 parameter. So 2 parameter for private network, 1 parameter for port forwarding, and another one for public network. So first of all we will discuss how this port forwarding will work. Okay, so I just uncommented the port forwarding, and you can see we have two port number, one for guest and another one for host. Guest is nothing but CentOS 8 VM and host is nothing but my Windows OS. So CentOS 8 will use 80 and then Windows OS will use 8081. So whenever request came to 8081, that request will be redirected to the port 80. Okay, so that is the actual meaning of the port forwarding. And here we can see how to and here I will show you how to port forward will work. So between CentOS 8 VM and then Windows OS over here. So right now I'm just trying to bring up the VM now. So for that I'm just executing Vagrant reload command here. So if you execute Vagrant up, so the port forwarding will not get enabled. So for that you have to use the Vagrant reload command over here. So this reload nothing but so it will read the Vagrant configuration file, and then it will bring up the VM with the modified values inside the Vagrant file. And yeah, so you can see the port forwarding has been activated for both SSH and then port 80. So the GUI has been opened for CentOS 8 VM. So already I have enabled GUI for CentOS 8. Because of this parameter, the GUI has been opened now. So in order to demonstrate this port forwarding concept, I'm just going to install the Apache server. So basically Apache server will listen the port number 80. So this one will be the best example to demonstrate the port forwarding. So I'm just waiting for the VM to boot up. Okay, so the VM is completely up now. So I'm executing Vagrant SSH command to access this server. So I'm switching to the root user, and now I'm installing the HTTPD. Okay. Okay, and I'm checking the status of the HTTPD service now. So it's inactive and disabled. System control enable HTTPD. I'm just enabling the service, and then I'm activating the start HTTPD. So it will start the HTTPD service. Now if you check the service, it will be started now. Okay, so now we can go to the switch over to the Google Chrome browser here. So now if you try to access the web page, localhost :8081. Yeah, so this is the test page for the Apache server. So it means the port forwarding is working fine. Okay, now we are going to look the private networking concept over here. Okay, so private network, within private network we have two types. One is the dhcp and another one is static. So first of all I will enable this dhcp. I'm just saving this configuration file. Okay, now you can see we have only two ports. One is the loopback interface and another one is the ETH0. If I enable this private networking with the DHCP option, it will create another port with the name ETH1, and it will assign the DHCP IP address. Let me just come out from this VM, and again I'm just executing Vagrant reload command here. So again it will read the Vagrant file. So whatever changes we have done, it will check that configuration file, and then it will activate that changes what we have done in the Vagrant file. Okay, so the CentOS 8 VM is up now. So, and using this private network, we can able to access this server from the from my Windows command prompt. So let me show you how it will work here. Okay. So now to access server, we have to execute the command Vagrant SSH, and you can see adapter 1 is in add and adapter 2 is the host only adapter. So we can call this we can call it this one as the private network. Okay, so if I give this executing IP address A, you can see we have three interfaces now, and ETH1 is a private network with a DHCP option. So this is the IP address to access this VM now. So what I'm going to do, I'm just copying this IP address, and then I'm just trying to access server from my Windows command prompt. So for that SSH, so username is Vagrant @ and this is the IP address .4. Okay, so you can see, and it's asking the password Vagrant. Yeah, so you can see I can able to access this server now. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm just coming out from this VM now. Now I'm just enabling this third parameter, private network with static IP address. Okay, so I just uncommented it, and I'm just save this file now. And again I have to reload this Vagrant now. Vagrant reload. So again I have to execute this command again, so that it will read the configuration file again, and it will activate the changes whatever we have done in the Vagrant file. So now it has to show three adapter. So one is for NAT, and another one, yeah. So you can see adapter 2 and adapter 3. So this IP address is the manually we are setting this IP address. So this is also the host only adapter IP address. Okay, so the VM is completely up now. So again we have to access this server. So I'm just executing Vagrant SSH command to access this server again. And once I logged in, I will execute IP address A command to check the IP addresses. IPA. Okay, so we have totally 4 interfaces, and this is the static IP. So using this API also we can able to access this server. So I'm just deleting the existing IP address. I'm just pasting this one. Okay, 172.42.42.100. Okay, yeah. So using this IP address also we can able to access the server. Okay, I'm just coming out from this VM now. Okay, so the last parameter is the public IP address. Okay. So this is the we are calling this one as the bridge interface. Okay, so again I'm just coming out from this VM. I'm again executing Vagrant reload command. Okay, so this bridge interface is nothing but, let me log into the command prompt now. So if I execute IP config over here. So you can see, so this is my provider IP address, and this is my IP address for this lab for my Windows OS, and 192.168.43.88. so the so I will get one of the IP address from this subnet. Okay, so we are calling this one as the public network, or we can call this one as the bridge interface. Okay, so now we can see we have adapter 1, 2, 3, 4, and fourth one is the bridged adapter. Okay, now the VM is completely up now, and totally we have 4 adapters. Okay, so I'm just logging to the VM now. Vagrant SSH. Okay, I'm just executing IPA command. Okay, so now we have the fifth interface with this IP address 192.168.43.142. Okay, so this IP address will comes under in this subnet. Okay, so if I'm trying to ping this IP address, yes, I can able to ping this one. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video now. So just try this method. So this is so simple, and if you have any doubts, just let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.